Hey everyone, welcome back to JCC Official. In today's video, we're going to create a book cover design and then use that design to make a book cover mock-up, step by step. Step 1. Get the content. To start designing, we first need some content. So for that, we'll use ChatGPT to generate our book title, tagline, and description ideas. You can customize the content according to your theme or topic. Step 2. Create the design in Canva. Once our content is ready, we'll move to Canva to design the book cover. We'll also add a chibi character to make the cover more fun and creative. And if you want to learn how to generate your own chibi character, you can check out our previous video on this channel. Now adjust the brightness, contrast and shadows to make your design professional. Now that your book cover design is ready, download it and place it on a mockup. For that, we'll use Canva's Mockup app. It's super easy and gives a professional look instantly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to JCC Official. And guess what? Tomorrow's video is going to be even more exciting. We'll be creating a bag mock-up using Canva. So stay tuned, keep learning and keep creating with me.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.